You can now claim your money docs and snapshot has been completed. So welcome everyone to Digitest. It is your first time of coming across my channel. Do well to subscribe, like a video. More importantly, make sure you join my Telegram channel. Having access to the right information at the right time is very key if you want to start making money online. There are a lot of opportunities you're actually missing because you are not getting the right information, or probably you are getting those information at a very late time. So find yourself in my Telegram channel. I believe you will love it. So now money dog snapshot has been completed, and if you can see from the screen here, it says snapshot. Make sure to claim before the deadline to join the TGE. So it's almost certain that listing of money dogs will actually take place this December. So this is the official message from Money Dogs. He said snapshot complete. Maintenance is now underway for 2 hours. Once completed, check your mobile and claim your reward for free by 12/22. That's 22nd of this month. So with this information now, that means token generation event will be on the 22nd of this month. So there is every likelihood that token listing will take place this month. And if you go back to the Money Dogs, when you click on claim, you can see the timer is there already. That's about 10 days, roughly 10 days. If you click on claim, we've actually been farming the real token since. So this is the token here. Then here you can buy more MDOGS. That means the token. So then there is something new that I need to actually talk about. That's the Launchpool, and I will advise you join the Launchpool. And I'm going to explain the Launchpool. We have 3. Then we have one for Super Pass holders, Super Pass subscriber only. You can see here. So if you're a Super Pass subscriber, you'll be able to join this, and the reward rate is this. That's 38,000 plus percentage. So then if you come down here, then buyer's pool, which is for those that have carried out at least one turn transaction, and if you look at the reward rate here, it's higher. You get the point. Then we have the regular. Here the reward rate is what? 3,009. So this one is higher. It's the buyer's pool. I will encourage all my followers to go for this. So when you click on view pool, if you click, so I can stake here. You can stake 50,000 of the amount you actually have. That's the maximum you can actually stake. Then they said buy more MDOG to unlock additional staking limit of 200,000. So if you like, you can go ahead and do that. So that's your own decision, not mine to make. So here the fourth one is 500,000 and 50,000. Then you could just click on what? Stake. Get. So but in my own opinion, I think because of the reward rate, I'm going to click on buy more. From this buy more, you can see if you choose a 90 star, you can see the buyer's limit. It will change from 50 to 100, and if you go higher, 180 limit, you can see from 50 to 150. Then if you go a little bit higher, you can see here. So I think 200 is the limit even here. So what you can do is, if you have a Super Pass badge, you can stake for the regular. You can stake for the Super Pass here. Then the remaining part of your token, you can use it here. So you can share it along the way. So you get it. So that is just a little advice I have to give as concerning this. So do well to like, subscribe to our channel, and more importantly, make sure you join our Telegram channel. We'll keep you posted, updated on what is actually going on. And more importantly, if you actually stake your coin, you can actually unstake it. So that's just the beauty of this new update of the Launchpool. So get started